So today we're gonna go hit up some yard sales and try to make some money. I don't know. Let's see what kind of treasures we find. All right, sounds good. Then the inside up here? Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. There are a lot of stuff in the basement?
I didn't go down there, I got bad knees. There was a lot of stuff. My husband says there is. Full.
Wow.
Well, the house is for sale too, so you can just buy it and you don't have to move it there.
Somebody bought mine or mine.
You buy, there you go. There you go.
Oh, excuse me.
Thank you.
Hmm?
Bacon, yeah. Okay. Okay. Hi, folks. Hello.
So we went to Quentin's,
Creepy.
and we came up here.
Wow. It's completely full down here. It is like completely full. Prices look a little expensive though. Look a little pricey. $10 for that VCR. It's crazy. $10 for the VCR. It's a nice purse. Oh, jeez. Ooh, this is a Stetson. This is a Stetson hat. Pretty nice, actually. So, $12 for that. Let's see what it sells for. Royal Stetson hats. So I'm looking up these prices on the eBay seller app. See, these sell actually pretty well sometimes, but not for $10. Some of them may sell for like 20 or 30, I don't know. But $10 is a little too expensive for that. This is a pretty nice Stetson hat. It's $12. So I'm pretty conflicted whether or not to buy this Stetson hat. They want $12. It does have some issues. Has some staining spots. Has maybe like a grease spot. I don't even know if I could get those out. And it sells for maybe good condition, $60 to $100. But I'm really conflicted over the staining. I might be able to get some of it out, but it's gonna be really hard to get out. Some of these stains right here are like grease stains. So I don't know, maybe I could sell it with the stains. I don't know. This one I could probably get out. Some of these I could get out, but the other ones are gonna be extremely hard to get out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them out. So I guess I'll pick it up. I'll try to get them down to $10, I guess. Just because it has stains on it. I don't know. I have no idea. Hopefully someone will buy it. The inside looks really new. I don't know. You can't really see down here because it's dark, but it looks pretty decent. I don't see anything else.
sale.
Okay.
The sofa, these 2 chairs, the dining room set, the hutch. There's a sofa out in the sunroom, it's a sleeper.
Okay.
And there's 2 antique chairs over there for sale. And then I've got a dresser with a mirror in the back.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank you.
You're
Look at
welcome.
all the pretty
And
stuff.
jewelry. There's
Oh,
jewelry
and
on the
jewelry.
table. Gotta look. Yep, gotta look at the jewelry.
That's a very useful tool.
Oh, it's true.
I'm using the napkin by the Stetson.
Ready.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tomorrow's half price. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too. I go this wall. I don't know where I want them, but.
Okay, so I have to get real with y'all for here for a second. I hate when estate sales do that. It kind of hurts my heart a little bit. And I know that as pickers and resellers, entrepreneurs, we want to get out here and get the best deals, and we want to get the best for our buck. And I want to tell you this right now. At that estate sale I just left, the elderly woman was sitting in the living room, and you could see her in the video when I went in there. And I had this Stetson hat in my hand, and you could tell just in the look in her eyes, this belonged to someone she cared about. As soon as she looked down at that Stetson hat, literally, like, I felt like my eyes kind of welling up with tears a little bit. I hate going to estate sales and they have the previous owners still there in rough shape. She was in pretty bad shape is what it looked like. And I hate that, because you know they have an attachment to these items. Like this Stetson hat probably belonged to her husband, and he passed away, and this is the, you know, the one hat that she remembers him by. And so this is why, that's why I hate that. I hate when estate sale companies do that. And honestly, this estate sale, it wasn't ran by a company. It looks like it was ran by her kids. And that's even worse, because they're trying to get top dollar out of everything because they want money and they need money. And potentially just, there's a lot of greed going on. Like, yeah, I bought this to resell, but man, this is like the worst day you could have reselling and going to an estate sale. Probably the worst day. I hate that. So I think this hat will sell for anywhere from about 60 to 100. I gotta clean it up, but like, it almost don't even seem worth it. It was pretty rough. It's pretty rough. The way she looked at this hat, I brought this hat up here, and she looked down at it and just stared at it and then stared at me. And you could see she was getting emotional. And I don't like this part of reselling all the time. You know, you don't run into it very often. This is the first time I've ran into it this year. Last year I ran into it like once as well. This is never the great part. So you just have to take the good with the bad, because everybody has families and we have to feed our families too. All right. So it looks like the Stetson hat is going for a little bit more money than I expected. In really, 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 really amazing condition, they're going for about 150 bucks. In the condition I have it in, if I can't figure out, I may have to just take it to the dry cleaners. I don't know if the dry cleaners could even dry clean this, though. So I could always take it to the dry cleaners, see if they can do anything. If you know how to clean a Stetson hat, you can't just throw it in some water. It doesn't work like that. I'm thinking it's gonna have to be dry cleaned, but if you have any tips on that, let me know down in the comments. Pause this video and let me know. But I'm thinking if I can get it dry cleaned and really back into the same condition that it was purchased in, fairly close, maybe a little, maybe a couple stains here and there, probably looking at like 90 to 100 and 100 bucks. 90 to 100, maybe 130. And I don't know, I got to do some more research, because some of these Stetson hats are going for $225. This is a fedora style hat, so it's kind of like a mobster's hat, right? Hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you on the flip side. Don't forget, hit the bell for notifications and make that money.